Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I get from time to time, got one today, someone that installed Windows 11 on a unsupported machine and didn't use any special tricks. It just used the available download image from Microsoft. So, of course, he came to the conclusion that I am actually showing unnecessary things to install on an unsupported with Rufus or any other tool. And it's not the case, and here's the thing. There are several ways to install unsupported. And what happens with the image, the Microsoft image, the only thing that it checks that it wants to meet the requirement is TPM 2.0. TPM 2.0 has been part of PCs as old as 2014, which means you could have a 2015 or 16 laptop and it could have a 2.0 TPM 2.0 chip. And what happens is if you use the image, even if you don't meet the requirements for the rest, for example, the CPU generation, it will go through. And several tech guys have actually tried it and said, yep, if you have TPM 2.0, it seems to be the only requirement that it really is checking out. So it will install just using the standard image that you can download from this page from Microsoft. So as simple as that. Where it requires to go through hoops and use things and tools like Rufus to install, it's when you don't have TPM 2.0. If you don't have TPM 2.0, you will have to install using the Rufus tool. So here we're talking about 24H2. So that will work. And there's a lot of people that say, well, no, you can't install it anymore. It doesn't work. You're not doing it right because it installs on every machine that has the requirements. The only thing that it will not work is if you have a really old machine and that it requires SSE 4.2 or something like that. That cannot be bypassed and that will not install at all. But for the rest, you got TPM 2.0, but a 6th or 7th generation chip, CPU. Just the image from Microsoft will install. You don't have TPM 2.0 requirement, then you'll require to have one of the tools like Rufus to bypass. There's also the command line that I've shown on my install of my own unsupported PC here, which also works. So that is just telling the PC that you're going to install a server, Windows Server install, where it doesn't check that requirement also. So anyways, there are several ways, but it seems that really the image only checks TPM once you go. And the funniest part is if you go and install Windows 11 with the image and it works, if you use the Microsoft verification tool to check if you're compatible, it will actually tell you that this PC does not meet the requirement, even though you will be on Windows 11. One of those very weird things, indeed. So anyways, I will share the link to the download page for the image of Windows 11 and the Rufus tool in this the description below. So if you need these tools to install Windows 11 on unsupported and especially 24H2, still works and will happen if you want to get to Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.